Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna talk about binomial coefficient. What is binomial coefficient? It is for non-negative integers and r with n is greater than or equal to r. It means if our r is 5, our n should be 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. The expansion n choose r or with and above r is called by a binomial coefficient. Okay, so how do we communicate binomial coefficients? As you might have guessed, there is formula. N choose r is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. The number of combinations of r elements from a set of n elements is denoted n choose r, like a fraction of n divided by r, but without a line in between. This is also the symbol that appears when we choose to push NCR in our calculator. The exclamation points are actually part of the formula. So, when we have 4 factorial, what does it mean? When we have 4 factorial. So, 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. How about 3 factorial? 3 factorial, it simply means 3 times 2 times 1. Just be careful with a special case when it comes in binomial coefficients, which is 0 factorial. Because 0 factorial is always equal to 1. Let's have an example. Choose 7, choose 3. Let's use this formula to calculate this one. Just mere substitution. So the value of n is 7 and the value of r is 3. So 7 choose 3 is equal to 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial is equal to 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 factorial. So 7 factorial in our numerator. So 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over our 3 factorial is simply means 3 times 2 times 1 and 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we can able to cancel this 1. So 7 times 6 times 5 is equal to 210. 210 over 6. 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. So 210 divided by 6 is, so our answer is 35. So before we end this video, let's have another example. So 5 choose 3. 5 choose 3 is equal to our n is 5 over 3 factorial, which is our r, times 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 factorial, 2 times 1. So we can able to cancel this. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20 over 2 times 1 is 2. 20 divide 2 is equal to 10. So this will be our answer. That's it. So this is our reference.